Nagsugod ang walkout sa mga senador halin sa minorya matapos nga ginbilin ni Senator Erwin Tulfo ang isa ka prangka nga pamangkot kung ano ang tuyo sang majority nga aprubahan nila ang motion ni Senator Rodante Marcoleta. Ginpamangkot ni Erwin Tulfo kung nagadali bala ang majority nga botohan na ini, ilabi na bangod may balita nga may duha sa ila kaupdanan nga posible magtupa sa presuhan. Wala ini sang may ginmensyonar nga pangalan apang sanday Senator Jinggoy Estrada kag Senator Joel Villanueva ang ginlawag sang Office of the Ombudsman nga posible kasuhan sang plunder sa Sandigan Bayan bangod sa flood control scandal. Mabatian ang gahod samtang nga ginahambal ini ni Tulfo samtang nagtindog naman si Estrada kag nagkadto malapit sa lamesa ni Senator Bongo.
My question is, why are we in so hurry? Why are they, the majority, in a hurry to tackle this motion and divide the House, Madam President? We need answers in the minority.
Madam Chair.
Or is it because, Madam Chair, they're in a hurry because of news reports that probably two of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend? Is that the reason why? Is that the reason why they have to have this inserted, this Section 41C, para makaboto po kung sino man yung makukulong dahil sa announcement ng Ombudsman na may lalabas na po ang warrant ng ilan sa mga kasama natin, Madam President?
Nagsabat pa dira si Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano apang kadungan sang iya paghambal nagalibot naman sang abong ation si Senator Mig Zubiri sa mga kaupod sini sa minorya kag nagasiling nga magwa na sila kag hindi magpartisipar sa debate. Yari anay ang motion ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano kasunod sang pahayag ni Erwin Tulfo.
It is out of order because his question sa nagmamadali, bakit, can be discussed in the actual motion. Can be discussed after the motion whether we should take it up. We take offense that bibigyan niya ng ganyang kulay. It's just like us saying, are you afraid if we have the hearing on the Blue Ribbon on flood control, mababanggit ka rin? You do not make that kind of statements here in the Senate because you assume good faith from everyone. That rule hindi minadali. May 11 pa ho yun. So, Madam Chair, I move that we divide the House.
Samtang nakagwa na sang abong ation sanday Senator Bam Aquino, Senator Kiko Pangilinan, Senator Risa Ontiveros, Senator Sherwin Gatchalian, Senator Ping Lacson, Senator JV Ejercito kag Senator Erwin Tulfo. Wala na sa session hall sanday Senator Raffy Tulfo kag Senator Lito Lapid sang natabo ang walkout. Nagpabili naman sa plenaryo si Minority Leader Tito Soto apang iniagod i-move nga i-adjourn ang session bangod wala na sang quorum.
Madam President,
Minority Leader.
I move to adjourn or a quorum call. That is a higher precedence, Madam President.
So I only see the Minority Leader representing the minority. The others had left.
Madam Chair, we will not object, but for the record,
Yes.
they scampered out and left the Minority Leader instead of discussing the rule. We are not even discussing the rule yet. And then, ganun na yung allegation nila. And no one from the minority stood up to say that out of order si Senator Erwin Tulfo. So we will not object, Madam Chair. In fact, we move that we adjourn till 5 p.m.
Madam President,
Monday.
before that,
Madam
Before we-
President,
Sorry,
motion to adjourn is
Senate
not
President.
debatable.
uh,
Akala ko ba magaling sa rules?
We're not
Parliamentary
debating.
inquiry.
It's not
We're not
debatable,
debating
Madam
Parliamentary
minority.
inquiry,
Move to
Madam
adjourn.
President.
We're
I'm
not
not
debating,
debating,
Madam
and we
Chair.
will indeed adjourn.
May pila pa kabagay nga padayon nga gin-insister sa Senator Rodante Marcoleta amo man si Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano apang sanguli dalayon nga gin-adjourn ni Senate President Pro Tempore Loren Legarda ang sesyon. Magabalik ang sesyon sa masunod nga Lunes sang hapon yari ang pagtakop sang magamo nga plenary session sa Senado kagabi.
Kapag ka po ba nag-walk out ang minority, nawawala po yung quorum. Nagsimula po tayong may quorum. It doesn't matter if they walk out.
Yes,
I think we still have the quorum.
Madam President, once there is a quorum call, you have to call the roll. Kahit naka-present lahat o kulang kanina o there was a motion to dispense, whatever that is.
Not
A
upon a
quorum
situation,
call,
Madam President, when
motion
they,
to-
when they
motion to
readily
adjourn
and willingly walk out.
takes precedence.
Hindi po yung covered ng rule natin, Madam President.
Madam
Kung
President,
sakasakali
As
po,
reiterated by the Senate President and as conveyed by the Minority Leader, former Senate President, the rule states that the motion to adjourn takes precedence and not taking sides.
5 p.m. Monday
And we will adjourn session
until 5
until
p.m.
5 p.m.
Monday.
on Monday, June 1st, 2026.
Ang formal nga pag-adjourn sang plenary session sa Senado kagabi.